Hi everyone, and welcome to It's Chow Time. My name is Chow, and today's recipe is Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a Middle Eastern dish that's kind of like a stew, vegetable dish with bell peppers, onions, and garlic, and tomatoes. For this recipe, you're going to need red bell pepper, onion, garlic cloves, a can of tomatoes, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and salt and pepper, and also eggs if you want. The first thing you want to do is to dice the onion and then start heating up the pan with some olive oil. Put the onions in a pan with the olive oil and cook it on medium heat until the onions become soft. Next, finally dice the garlic. When the onions become soft, add the minced garlic and let that cook. And while that's cooking, we're going to dice the red bell pepper. Once the garlic is starting to cook and become a little crispy or brown, add in the chopped red bell pepper and then season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're going to let it cook for just a little bit before adding the canned tomatoes. Once the bell peppers have started to soften, add the tomatoes. We're going to add water to the tomatoes, and then we're going to let it reduce down so that it becomes thick. At this point, you're going to add all your seasonings, so the paprika, the cumin, the coriander, the chili pepper, and then more salt and pepper to taste. Once the shakshuka has started to reduce and you can see that the vegetables are turning tender, at this point you could just serve it as is, or you can crack an egg into it and then you'll have a soft cooked egg with your shakshuka. Once your eggs are cooked, just serve it up and you're ready for a nice brunch. Actually, this dish can be served at any time of day, but with the eggs it really fits a brunch type of meal. Serve it up with some toasted pita or some bread, and you're all set. This has been Shakshuka. If you like what you see or would like to see something else, please leave a comment below on what you would like to see next. Why don't you try making this to impress your friends for like a brunch at your place? Thank you for watching. My name is Chow, and hope to see you next time on Chow Time.